Hello dear students, hope you all are fine. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golabazar, Gorakhpur. My dear student, today's video we are going to revise the chapter of grammar. Student, as you all know, your school is closed due to cold wave, so that's why I'm here with my revisional video. So today we're going to revise the chapters of grammar. So for that you all take out your Tune Into Grammar book and we're going to start the first chapter, that is the sentence. Dear student, do you know about the sentence? Tell me what the definition of sentence. Do you know that? My dear student, you have already learned about this topic in your previous classes. So today we're going to revise again this topic, that is related to sentence, and we all know that a sentence is an arrangement of a group of words that make complete sense. What is sentence? A sentence is an arrangement of a group of words that make complete sense is called sentence. Okay student? Student, in a simple way we can say that a sentence is a group of words that express a complete thought. Okay? A sentence is a group of words that express a complete thought, and different kinds of sentence have different purpose. Just like a sentence can make a statement, ask a question, give a command, or express a strong feeling. And it is very important for you that you must know that all sentences begin with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. The punctuation mark at the end of the sentence is determined by the purpose of that sentence. Okay student, it is very important for you that you must learn the definition of sentence and also know about some more information about the sentence, that how could we identify a sentence. Okay, so firstly we will learn that a sentence is a group of words that express a complete thought. Okay, and after that, different kinds of sentence have different purpose. A sentence can make a statement, ask a question, give a command, or express strong feeling. And also we will learn that all sentences begin with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. The punctuation mark at the end of the sentence is determined by the purpose of that sentence. Okay student, it is very important for you, so you must note down this given information about the sentences. Okay. Now after this we are going to learn about how many kinds of sentences. So student, there are total 4 types of sentences. First is declarative. It is also called assertive or declarative sentence. Second is interrogative sentence. Third is imperative. Fourth is exclamatory. Okay. So let's learn more about the kinds of sentences. So dear student, you must learn that there are total 4 kinds of sentence. First will be declarative or assertive, second imperative, third interrogative, or fourth is exclamatory. Okay, and after that one by one we are going to learn about what is declarative sentence. So dear student, a declarative sentence makes a statement or gives information. It's end with a full stop. It is very easy to know. How could we identify an assertive or declarative sentence? In declarative sentence, make a statement or gives information, and it is very important information that it end with a full stop. Okay, it's also end with a full stop. So just like this, we have to identify that given sentence is a declarative sentence because it makes a statement and give a information. Now the second is imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? So an imperative sentence gives a command, makes a request or a wish. It mostly ends with a full stop and sometimes an exclamation mark. Student, what is exclamation mark? Do you know about the exclamation mark? Student, as you can see, there is a line and dot. This given symbol is called exclamation marks. Okay, so in imperative sentence, dear student, this is called exclamation mark. Okay, now moving to the next. It is very important, so you must be learn this given information about the imperative sentence, that an imperative sentence gives a command, makes a request or a wish. It mostly end with a full stop and sometime an exclamation marks. After completing this, we moving to the next sentence, that is called interrogative sentence. Okay student, so what is interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence asks a question. An interrogative sentence asks a question and it's end with a question mark. This is a question mark. So a sentence that ends with a question marks is called interrogative sentence, and interrogative sentence asks a question. It is very easy to learn. Now the fourth sentence is exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? So student, an exclamatory sentence expresses happiness, anger, fear, disgust and shock. It's end with the exclamation mark. What is exclamatory sentence? It expresses happiness, anger, fear, disgust and shock. So it's end with an exclamation mark. Okay student, it is called exclamatory sentence. For example, we can say, what an impossible task that is. What an impossible task that is. In interrogative examples, we can say that, what is your name? What are you doing here? Okay. In imperative, we can say that, do not go there, come here. And in assertive, we can give example that, I am a boy, I am doing my work. Student, we are going to learn more examples that is given in your book. The first is, the national is bird, the India of peacock. Read this group of words. So first word that first group of words, the national is bird, that India is India of peacock. Second is sky, in high aeroplanes the fly. Next is planet, the on well, blue largest is the animal the. Next is canals dogs live in. So now tell me, read this sentence. These are the same group of words arranged in order. Student, this given sentences can make any sense if you read this given word group of words. So now tell me, this given sentence group of words make any sense to you? The national is bird, the India of peacock. No, it doesn't make any sense. This given group of words doesn't make any sense. So for that, we must be arranged this given group of words. Okay. We must be arrange this given group of words in a proper way, in a proper order. So just like this, first, the peacock is the national bird of India. It's make a sense. Okay, this given sentence make a sense that the peacock is the national bird of India. Second is, sky, in high aeroplanes the fly. No, it doesn't make any sense. So we must be write this, aeroplanes fly high in the sky. Third, the blue whale is the largest animal on the planet. Fourth, dog lives in kennel. Just like this, you have to make many more sentences that make sense. Okay student, so it is very important for you that you must be learn the definition of sentence and also its kinds with the name. Student, it's your homework that you will write the definition of sentence and its kinds and also write about their kinds. Okay. So first of all, you must be learn that a sentence is an arrangement of a group of words that makes complete sense. And after that, we moving to the next, that is the next topic that is given in your book. It's called phrase. What is phrase? Do you know about the phrase? What is phrases? Tell me. So, a phrase is a small group of words that make partial sense and can become a part of the sentence. Student, it is very important for you if you learn grammar, so you must be identify difference between sentence and phrase. Okay student, so in a sentence we have learned that a sentence is an arrangement of group of words that make complete sense, but in phrase there is a A phrase is a small group of words that makes partial sense and can become a part of the sentence. And also you must be find out more differences between sentence or phrase. So firstly we will learn what is phrase and its example, and after that we will identify the difference between sentence and phrase. So now read this. Okay, read this. So at home, across the road, in a few days, under the bed, during the day, in a corner. Student, in sentence we have learned that a sentence is an arrangement of group of words that make complete sense, but in the phrase there is a difference, because a phrase is a small group of words and it doesn't make any sense. Okay, that makes partial sense, doesn't make any sense, and can become a part of the sentence. So this group of words neither begin with a capital letter nor end with a full stop, a question mark or an exclamation mark. These are not sentences. However, they make some sense. Such group of words are called phrase. Okay, it is very important difference between sentence and phrase. That first difference, sentence, in sentence a sentence begin with a capital letter, but a phrase doesn't begin with a capital letter. Okay, second will be a sentence end with a full stop, but in phrase it's nor and in a full stop, and question mark or exclamation marks. Okay student, and a sentence make a sense but a phrase doesn't make any sense. So just like this we have to find out the differences between sentence and phrases. And we have also learned kinds of sentences. So tell me, how many kinds of sentence? Do you know that? Yes, there are total 4 kinds of sentence. First is assertive or declarative sentence. Second will be imperative. Third, interrogative. Fourth is exclamatory. So just like this you must be learn this all kinds of sentences, and one by one you write down in your notebook. Student, in your notebook you must be write the definition of sentence, and after that you must be write 4 types of sentence, and after that one by one you have to define that. Okay, so first is assertive or declarative sentence. So you must be write that a sentence that make a statement is called an assertive or declarative sentence. It can be either positive or negative or declarative sentence and with a full stop. Now the next stage, interrogative. So in interrogative, a sentence that asks question is called an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence and with a question mark. Okay, it is a question mark. Now the next Third will be imperative. So a sentence that expresses an order or makes a request or gives an advice is called an imperative sentence. And the next fourth is a sentence that expresses a strong feeling of happiness, sadness, hurt, fear or surprise is called exclamatory sentence. This sentence is and with an exclamation mark. Okay student? So just like this you have to write down this given information about the sentence and its kinds. Okay student? So student, I hope is that clear to you? Information about the sentence and its kinds, and also the differences between phrase and sentences. Okay, so let's do the given exercise that is given in your book. So the first one is read this group of words, identify these as sentences. So you must be write as, and phrases, so you have to write P. Okay, you will write P for the phrases and as for the sentences. So you must be identify this given sentences. So the firstly, here some notes for you. So you must be check. A sentence has a verb but a phrase does not. Student, it's a more information, more difference between sentence or phrase. That is, a sentence has a verb but a phrase does not. And the next is a sentence always begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark, but a phrase doesn't end with a full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. Okay, so let's do the given exercise. So the first is in a great hurry. In a great hurry. So tell me, this given group of words makes any sense or not? So student, this given group of words doesn't make any sense, so it will be phrase. So we have to write here in front of this sentence group of words, we will write P. Okay. Second is mind your own business. Mind your own business. So student, it is phrase or sentence. So it is sentence. So we will write here as. Third, in the early morning. What is this? Phrase or sentence? So it is phrase. So we will write P. Fourth is the train stopped at the station. So what is that? It is sentence or phrase? It is sentence. So we will write here as, because the first letter begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop, that is called sentence. So here in second we will see that first letter begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop, and this given group of words make a sentence, make a sense. Okay. So it is called sentence. Number 5. Prevention is better than cure. It is sentence. So we will write here as. Next is up and about. So it will be phrase. So we will write here P. Next, a present. So it will be also P. Next, at great speed. So we write here P. Next, the children played there nearly in the park. So we will write here as. Okay. We will write here as. Now the next, the climbed the stairs because the elevator was out of service. So we will write here as. Next, at the airport. So it will be phrase. Now next, the last one, Anuj walked into the classroom late. So we will write here as. Okay student. So just like this you have to complete this given exercise. You have to identify phrase and sentences. And for that it is very important that you must be know about the differences between sentence or phrase. Okay. So your today's homework is you must be write the definition of sentence and its kinds also, and you must be write differences between sentence or phrase. Okay student. So I hope is that clear to you today's topic, that is sentence and its kinds and differences between sentence and phrase. So student, you must be complete your homework. Okay. And I will explain the next chapter in my next video and next remaining exercises of this chapter. Okay. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.